Assalamu alaikum pre-9 class. Hope you're all fine. Subject computer science. Unit number 1 problem solving. Students, in the previous lecture we have studied about the different symbols that are used in flowcharts and their descriptions. Now today we are going to start our next topic, that is 1.2.5 examples of flowcharts, and it's on page number 8. In this section we study problem solving using flowcharts. In a flowchart, input means to get data from some input device and store in computer memory. A data in memory is given some particular name. We assess data with respect to its given name to perform some computation from which results are obtained. The results are stored in computer memory and we display the results on some output device. Students, in this sector we are going to study and solve some of the examples of flowchart. As you know, in a flowchart, input means to taking data from the user, and it is very important to know how many and what type of data is needed. And a data will be entered through some input device. Then it will store in a computer memory. A data which is storing in computer memory will be given some specific name. We can assess and perform calculations on the data in computer memory with respect to that particular name, from which results are gained. In the end, we display the results on some output device. Now we have example number 1, to convert Celsius to Fahrenheit temperature. Students, in the diagram you can see, first symbol is the terminal. Second one is a parallelogram that indicates the input and output. Third one is process. Fourth one is again the parallelogram that represents the input or output. And in the last, this is the terminal that indicates the end of the flow chart. And these arrows shows the flow line that determine the flow of the steps in a flow chart. This flow chart shows that after start, a computer user provides some numeric data which is stored in computer memory with the name Celsius. Students, as you can see, flowchart is starting with the symbol terminal. Then a user provides some specific name in the computer memory, Celsius. Means our input is Celsius. In the next step, the result is computed by applying the formula to convert the given Celsius temperature to Fahrenheit temperature. In the question, we have to convert the Celsius to Fahrenheit temperature. So, we have to put the formula to convert the Celsius into Fahrenheit temperature. This is the processing of the flow chart. The result is stored with name Fahrenheit. This is the result which is stored in the computer memory with name Fahrenheit. Means you can see the print output with the name of Fahrenheit. The value stored with name Fahrenheit is then displayed by using some output device. Next, the flow chart is ended. After calculation, the Fahrenheit will be displayed on the output device and then the flow chart is ended. Second example is to find acceleration of a moving object with given mass and the force applied. Now the next example is we have to find acceleration of the moving body with some given mass and force applied. Now flowchart is starting from the symbol terminal. Then you have the input or output symbol, means you are given the input in the computer memory with the name of mass and force. Then you have a process, means you have to find acceleration. So you must know the formula of force divided by mass. Next you have to print the output, print acceleration. You can use the short form of acceleration, ACC. It will display it on some output device and then the flow chart is ended. Next example is to find the volume of cube. Again, flowchart is starting from the terminal start. Then you have some input in the computer memory with the name of H. Then you have a process. You must know the formula of a cube, that is volume is equal to H multiplied by H multiplied by H. Next we have to represent the output. Now here is the output is print volume. After processing, its result will be displayed on some output device, then the flowchart is ended. Example number 4 will be explained in the next lecture. Students, you have to practice the first 3 examples. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.